And those new rules by the Treasury Department to crack down on corporate inversion plans is causing Medtronic to rethink the terms of its planned acquisition of Dublin-based Covidien. The possibility that could restructure the deal sent shares of the medical device company down by more than 1% today. Meg Terrell shows us how the new rules could impact this already agreed-upon deal and others in the healthcare sector.
The record deal activity in healthcare this year may be hitting a stumbling block. The U.S. Treasury last week announced new rules to stop inversions, acquisitions in which companies buy overseas competitors to lower their corporate tax rate. And they may be causing buyers to take a pause.
I think with the passage of the new U.S. Treasury laws, I think it's likely that the acquiring companies are going to try to come back to the table and say, hey, with this new structure on tax policy, we'd like to renegotiate some of the terms of the deal.
Billions of dollars worth of deals could be affected, particularly in healthcare, an industry that's led the strategy. North Chicago-based drug maker AbbVie announced a deal this year to buy Ireland's Shire for about $55 billion, while Medtronic, a Minneapolis-based medical device maker, announced a $43 billion deal to buy Ireland's Covidien. Medtronic says it's studying the Treasury's actions and will comment on any potential impact to its acquisition of Covidien once it's finished its review. AbbVie declined to comment. Renegotiations could be risky, analysts said. Larry Beagleson of Wells Fargo said Medtronic may seek to restructure its deal, including asking for a lower price, and there's risk it could fall apart if the two sides can't agree. Medtronic may also look to use more stock and less cash, Reuters reported. Covidien's got some leverage, a breakup fee of $850 million if the deal falls through. And while the U.S. acts to stop inversions, companies say a change to the country's tax code is what's needed.
They want comprehensive reform, reform that really does level the playing field for U.S. companies, because U.S. companies are at a disadvantage relative to foreign companies because of paying higher taxes in the U.S.
Until then, Morningstar's Damian Conover said companies are likely to continue to pursue inversions, even if the U.S. succeeds in making them a little more difficult. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Terrell.